A G2 Master.
No.
Oh! Oh! Will you? Oh! God! Bombo club! Oh, I'm so fast. Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah! Oh shit!
Bro, remember you're the best guy.
Yeah.
You're insane, man. Double build, dude. That might be the best G2 Pro I've ever seen, dude. 2, 1, go!
What? Oh!
Dude, that's a big problem, actually.
Whoa! Damn.
Yo, dude, I don't see security on your t-shirt. What's wrong with you? Yo, go take care of your children, man.
Why? Yes, you are in the private park.
I punch metal for fun.
Geekbox was locked in.
He was so locked in to take us out.
He's coming. Splendid outside in it. 6, 7. Bro, that's too much brain rot. The M5 Pro goes 75 kilometers per hour. I mean, that M5 Pro is shunt modded. Oh no, la polizia, no. Damn, bro. Let's get some electricity from these wires. I need a new scooter, but I don't have the money for a new scooter yet. It's a shit box. It only has value because it has a Joel Wilson signature on the front wing. I am left on 9% battery on the Gopro. Ice cream break. I'll change my battery. Second GoPro battery. Damn. I mean, the car looks cool. Bro, I thought it was bigger. Yo, hold on. At least let's take a couple of cool pictures. Bro, I wanna climb a crane. This is the G2 Pro. The scooter which I've been riding for the past 2 years. And I'm getting pretty tired of it. So, we have a replacement. Damn. A G2 Master, but it has one small issue. The motor is cracked. I'm waiting for a replacement motor cracked. Today I'm gonna do the deck. I'm gonna make it like this. The box of stuff. And we're gonna need glue. Oh!
Fine, but...
Oh!
Should we take
Man!
Should we take... Should we?
Take it out. Just flip the screw. Oh, just a bit? Bro, you have a lake in there. Oh my. It's been about an hour and it's finally done. It's not the prettiest though, but it will work. What do you want, gang? Yeah, I don't think I have enough glue. Alright, let's see. It's done and it's got grip. Cool looking scooter. Testing the rocket. The motor is still cracked, but it should be fine. I am sick. Gotta do anything for the content, you know. Don't get a flat tire, optional. Yeah, someone buy his scooter. Mint condition. Let me do a burnout.
Man, I was expecting you to show up.
I changed my scooter.
You got a new deck. Wait, that's sandpaper, right?
Yes.
Damn!
It's a new scooter.
I've seen the video. Do you have a VESC on this one?
No, but it will have a vest.
It will have a VESC.
Yeah.
Okay, dude, go for it. Yo, keep going, man. Keep going. You're gonna get big. It's insanely powerful, bro. That's totally insane. It might be better than the G2 Monster.
Not for long.
Not for long.
Bro, this scooter is huge.
No way!
No! Bro, ain't no way you're wheeling the cargo ship. Oh! Damn! If you jump with this scooter, you'll cause an earthquake. Yo, what the dog doing?
No!
Oh! Oh! Damn! Oh man, damn, so many scooters. Finally, I have a new motor for the rocket because yeah, I don't think it's supposed to do this. It's cracked. Half of it is missing, half of the rim. And the Hall sensor wire. Oh. Fittings for the hydraulic brakes, $2 each. Each set is $2. Nah, cause I thought I got scammed with this one. And also, these are new bearings for the front motor. Okay, it's all the way in and it's so smooth. Will you... Oh, pretty rusty. Hydraulic brakes. Hey, they ain't got any oil in it. What is going on here? Bro, the beat is crazy. I'm trying to fix my friend's water damaged M5 Pro. This rear linkage is...
Should we pause?
You know what the problem was? Your phase wires were touching each other. This insulation is
days, this looks like...
decomposing. Bro, what happened? Bro, the insulation turned into powder. Hold on, let's actually test it on the ground. Bro, it works. No brakes. So you wanna look inside of the mole?
Look at this, bro.
Oh, I wonder... Bro, look at the bearing.
I told you.
God, it's not even spinning. Oh, you have water in here.
Oh my, the smell of that motor.
You have... This is the old bearing from the G2 Master.
Tough.
I mean, bro, it's a little weird, but at least it spins, right? This is rust. Alright, let's do another layer. Yeah! What's wrong with it now?
No, you have to hold it for longer.
Oh. Something sparked.
Oh, no worry, dude, I organized the Rideout for us.
Bro, riding the huge bike. Race? Alright.
Wait, I don't dual motor?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yo! Bro, this bike got brake discs on both sides. This is not supposed to be pedaled.
Big boy!
Joy on wheels transportation. Now go take your scooter, bro. Bro, did you see that Xiaomi?
I saw it.
The front forks were bent. Whoa. Yo, Joy is wheeling my scooter. Damn, bro, this bike is comfy. And it got torque.
We are too many on the ramp.
Yeah.
Come back! It's rusted!
Oh, damn. Definitely not dangerous.
Not dangerous.
No!
Nah. Looking clean. No. I don't know. Whoa. Bro, they have firecrackers. Oh, nah, bro, they're up there. God damn. That was loud, bro. Allen keys ASAP.
Whoa.
My suspension is coming off. Fixed my scooter. This bolt came off.
I can literally do push-ups on this bike.
Crazy wheelie, bro.
1 kilometer of wheelie, man.
I'm gonna make the G2 Pro go to the moon.
Almost blown controller.
It's fine, bro. This is what I'm gonna use in the G2 Master. I'm waiting for another one. Oh boy, the G2 Master is gonna go beyond the moon.
You have to mount this
Yes,
on the G2
yes,
Master.
yes, yes.
This is how fast the G2 Master is gonna go.
Yes, it's gonna go Mach 1. Yes. Last thing the handlebar saw before I crashed with it.
Bridging the Balkan method. Bro, how do we do this? Whenever I try this, I just mess up.
It's easy, bro. You have to learn the skill.
I'm not Balkan enough for this. Bro has pliers in his mouth.
Huh? What's wrong with it? Who made this chicken?
Do I need to go home to get mine,
It
bro?
turns off! Dang! Going in the garbage. Oh no, it's a 9-volt battery. What brand is it? Baisheng!
Yellow. Okay. Yellow is blue.
Yellow is blue. It's not powered by VESC anymore. That one will be. Oh yes! Oh boy, that's extra crispy MOSFET right there. Bro, wires are all mixed up. Why does red go to yellow? Maybe it was right the first time. I don't understand what's going on here. Green goes to red, red goes to yellow. Green goes to black, black goes to green, blue goes to white, and yellow goes to blue. Awesome!
Yes, just what I expected.
It doesn't even turn on anymore. We figured something out.
This is the original harness of this controller.
199 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, this is real, bro.
The throttle doesn't work, but there is this ground wire that if I disconnect it,
This is fun.
If I connect it, nothing happens. And the throttle still doesn't work with this wire connected.
This thing doesn't work.
Disconnect the wire. What is going on, bro?
Yo!
Holy shit, screams,
Bro, I told you this is gonna be fast.
68! Bro! It skipped 6-7. Bro, the torque is so little. Well, this scooter is so much weaker. It's not that hard. Your scooter feels so much stiffer. Your suspension feels a lot stiffer. Okay, now you do it. Bro, this jump is so fun. It's time to put a VESC on the G2 Master. I've been waiting for this for so long. So I figured out how the switch works. I had to connect a throttle to it. Alright, the wiring is done. Damn. Oh! It's flying, bro. 6-7! I wanna do a top speed down the bridge. Oh boy. Bombo clap! This is tough. Bro put glow sticks on his bike.
Penis sharpener, bro.
Penis sharpener. Look at this. This is gold. LG MH1 cells.
This is mine.
We have to sharpen the battery.
You put them in here when you're done.
It works.
God damn, this is brand new.
So it's gonna be a 3S 7P 6-7. Would you care to mention where these cells are from?
Yes, these cells come from Lime scooter battery packs.
Oh, this is perfect. It fits perfectly, bro. Okay, do another weld. Next.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Okay.
Okay, that was sparky. Pull on it hard.
5 more. Okay. Whoa, that was sparky.
This is fire.
It's gonna be fire, literally. Like, bro, if some battery professional gonna see us, he will slime us out.
Bro, this is so hot.
Nah, it's not that hot. Oh, damn!
Why does it do that?
One eternity later.
We are about to blow up. We are connecting a 16S with a 3S in series. Oh my days, bro. 80 volts, bro. 19S. God damn, bro. Listen to the wind. God damn. Bro, a storm is coming upon us. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my days, water is getting inside of the scooters. Bombo clap! Kukirin Airlines! Kukirin boats! I'm fixing my friend's water damaged Kukirin M5 Pro. I actually tried fixing it once and that didn't work. A brand new controller.
You can't 3D print the mount, right?
If you 3D print the mount, it's gonna break the first time you're gonna hit the brake. It will crack. It's plastic. Oh, it's open. Okay. Garbage. Oh, yes.
I think it
Toxic fumes.
What?
Oh, man. Bro, your hall sensors are cooked. Oh my days!
Yeah.
The insides of this oh no! They are on the other side. We have to take the stator out.
Indeed. No way. Oh, it's working, yo.
I need someone to pull it out. I can't lift it.
Yes.
Okay, pull it out.
It's coming! It's coming out.
Oh, look at the magnet. Bro, what is inside of this motor?
Smells like winding.
Bro, this motor is toast. Damn! I have a stupid idea. So the G2 Pro is still broken, right? And I wanna fix it but I won't just fix it. I was thinking, I have a spare G2 Master motor. It just so happens that it fits perfectly. Oh boy, this looks powerful. Yeah, it's not spinning straight at all. It's good enough. Oh my days, it barely fits. Yeah, I can make it fit. These wires are so hard to bend, bro. Let's see if this whole thing works. Oh my, so I managed to shove all the cables in here. Also, I checked it spins in the right direction. I should put the brake sensor back on because I don't have rear brake. Nah, it's not going that fast, bro. So I forgot my headlight at home. So we are going stealth mode. And oh my days, my rear wheel is vibrating. Oh, I'm so fast. I'm so fast, 37. Oh man, he's flying.
Hello.
More upgrades for the G2 Master. Wider handlebar. Oh my days, this is wide. It's carbon fiber tape. The G2 Pro sounds like a shitbox.
I know.
This will be the fastest G2 Master in the world. What is this guy doing? You're gonna hit the tree, bro. Push the button. Yo! What's good?
What the hell is wrong with your handlebars?
Yeah, they're wide, aren't they? Wait. It's on the power limit right now because I wanted to have range. Yo, look, the gaming scooter.
No, no way.
Damn. Yo, Joy's winning my G2 Master. And there's a bolt. Look at the damn tires. Yeah. You know what else is massive?
What else is massive?
The low. Whoa. Yeah. Yo. Whoa.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yo, the police station is right here. We should race them.
3, 2, 1, green.
No. Yeah. No, wrong green. Yo, wrong green.
30? Who said? Yo, I'm keeping up, bro.
7 kilowatt versus 4 kilowatts.
Dog's mad. This guy's the owner and he's pissed because we splashed water everywhere. Bro was mad.
That guy looks like the black bird from Angry Birds.
So many trash cans, bro. Yo, what? Tires? Are you gonna throw it? Yo, look at this bike. This is a competition bike. My motor is heavier, bro. Bro, it's light. It's like nothing. 2,500 euros. Gaming scooter. Whoa. Keep going.
Okay.
Damn.